Hello there! In this tutorial we will make the zip pocket in the leather frame and it will look like this. You can make the leather zip puller or you can use the standard one. It's up to you, it's your bag. And the zipper I use for the inside is zipper number 5. That's the zipper size I usually use. You can use the same technique, the same pocket for the outside and for the inside. And also the background can be fabric, wool, upholstery fabric or leather. It's up to you as well. The technique will be the same. And before the tutorial, a bit about me. My name is Ksenia and I'm a full-time artist and small business owner. I'm a self-taught, but now I run a studio of custom and customized handbags in San Francisco, California, and doing pretty good actually. So it's my pleasure to share my technique, and I hope it will make your crafting journey easier and more enjoyable. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy. Hey, now let's make the inside zip pocket. So please place the frame about 125 inches from the top, or 32 millimeters. First, we apply glue along the edge and we do not touch the middle, only along the edge. And please place it approximately in the middle. I usually just measure with my hands. And yes, it's 125. Now we will go and stitch around the edge. And now we take the frame, we place it along the edge right on top, and we make the marks for the corners like this. And now we take the ruler and we cut. We need to cut out this rectangle, the top line and the bottom line. If it didn't go through all the way, that's okay. We have scissors. And now the tricky part, please. Now we go on the back side, on the wrong side, and we cut about 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters or so. So we want to have a gap about 2-3 millimeters from the leather edge. For this frame we need about 10 inches length, and then we will glue it right here. We apply the glue along the edge of the frame. Please remember what side you attach the top zipper. It will be not very nice if your inside zipper will be looking at some other direction. Here we go. Now we just need to make it straight. Move the leather around, make sure it's all straight. And also make sure that the zipper has approximately the same long zipper ends on both sides. Straighten it up. Now we go back on the back side, on the wrong side. Also, we can mark where this window started, because we want to glue the fabric within these marks. Now we will go and stitch the bottom. And if you want to move zipper, please leave the needle halfway down and also the foot up
the zipper and we continue to sew. What we do now? Now we have just a bit left. We apply glue along the bottom, just a bit, and we glue it just like that, because we want the zipper to open and close very smooth. And now we also apply glue along the top. Make sure that you like where the pocket ends, right here. Now we pin it again. And what we do now we will stitch along the top, and after that we will have left to stitch the insides, the vertical stitches, and that's it, the pocket will be ready. And here we go, this is our pocket. We need to tie the knot. And on the other side as well. And that's it, the pocket is ready.
Hello again. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and now it's much more easy for you to make the zip pocket in the leather frame like this. And also, of course, you can change the frame shape. It can be maybe rounded or something like this, super creative. The technique still will be the same. First we make the outside, then we cut the inside and stitch the bottom and stitch the top. And you know, I wanna share one thought with you, that if something is hard for you to do, probably it's just because you doesn't know the technique how to make it, or maybe you thought something what was artificially complicated and now it looks impossible to make yourself. So for everything there is a technique what is very simplified and very logical and very optimized. And yeah, please just practice your cutting, your stitching, your gluing, and everything will be good. Happy crafting!